Hello, super learners. Today we're going to learn all about compound sentences, sentences that join ideas together to make your writing stronger and more fun. What are compound sentences? A compound sentence is when we connect two or more complete ideas in one sentence. These complete ideas are called independent clauses. They can stand all by themselves like little sentences. For example, the sun is shining. That's one independent clause. If we add another idea and join them with a connective word, boom, we have a compound sentence. Coordinating conjunctions, fanboys. The special words that connect independent clauses are called coordinating conjunctions. They are for and nor, but, or yet so. To remember them, we use the word fanboys. Each one has its own superpower. Conjunction. For, I stayed home for it was raining. For means because. It explains the reason. Conjunction. And, the cat chased the mouse and it climbed a tree. And adds ideas together. It's like a glue that sticks two fun things in one sentence. Conjunction, nor. She doesn't like milk, nor does she like juice. Nor means not this and not that. It's used when both ideas are negative. Conjunction. But, I wanted to play outside, but it started raining. But shows contrast. It's like saying this happened, but the opposite happened too. Conjunction. Or, do you want chocolate ice cream or would you prefer vanilla? Or gives a choice. It's like choosing between two doors. Door A or door B. Conjunction. Yet. I was tired, yet I finished my homework. Yet shows something surprising, like even though you felt one way, you did something different. Conjunction. So. It was raining, so we stayed inside. So shows a result. One thing happens, so another thing follows. Now it's your turn. Let's fill in the blanks. 1. I was hungry. I ate a sandwich. 2. He wanted to swim. He forgot his swimsuit. 3. Do you like cats or dogs? Shout out your answers. Quiz 1. Look at these two sentences. The birds were singing. The sun was shining. Can you turn them into a compound sentence using a connective? Quiz 2. Here's another one. Do you like to read? Do you like to play soccer? Join them into a compound sentence using a FANBOYS word. Got it? Great job. Awesome work, super learners. Now you know how to make compound sentences using the Fanboys superheroes.